Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vuex Vue 3. So today we are going to learn about the new thing that is getters. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So all of my Vuex tutorials are the latest. Okay, so let's start it with getters. In the Vuex, getters are the functions used to retrieve and compute a derived state from the stored state. Okay, they act as a computed properties for the store, allowing you to access and modify the store's data in a controlled manner. Purpose of the getters in the Vuex: derived state. Getters allow you to compute and return the derived state from the store state. For instance, filtering a list of items, sorting a data, performing computations based on the existing state. You can do with the help of the getters, right? So suppose like I set the first name on the last name or the email something, so I can modify it accordingly. If I have the list of array in my state, so I can modify and filter out and get that values. Okay, so in that case we can use the getters. Reusable component computed properties: they act as a reusable computed properties across multiple components, abstracting complex logic into a easy accessible methods. Cache and optimization: getters are cached based on their dependencies. If the state they depends on hasn't changed, they return a cache result, optimizing the performance by avoiding unnecessary recalculations, right? So we have already discussed regarding the getters. Okay, so let me go back to the previous lecture that we have done. So this is, you can see that we have a, in the store.js we have a getters, and what the getters are doing, just they are returning the counter state. Okay, so here we are making the getters, right? Whatever manipulation calculation we want to do, you can do, right? So let's like the current state, whatever, we can increment one, we can decrement one, we can add something. Okay, you can do the calculation over here, computer calculations. Then in the app view, here we have a counter. Okay, so here we are returning the counter, this dot store dot getters dot get counter. So whatever the value of the state currently we are fetching over here, and here you can see that currently it's 0, right? So whatever I can do in the store manipulation, I can make it with the, let's see. So here you can see I have changed the values, right, and increment one thing over here. So whatever the computation manipulation you want to do, you can do it over here, like first name, last name, and you can combine, concatenate, or lower case the strings. You can do it and get that values into your component, right? Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.